Hello friends, in this video, I intend to teach you how to deposit TRC20 in the SwitchMarkets broker. At the top section, in the Live Accounts area, you click on Deposit. In this section, you select your transfer type, and we choose Crypto. And you click on Continue. In the next step, you enter your desired amount, keeping in mind that the minimum deposit is $50. In this section, you select your desired network, and we have chosen TRC20. Then you click on Continue. In the next step, you will see the details of your deposit, and click on Continue. You scan the specified barcode with your wallet and make sure to enter the specified amount in your wallet. And if you wish, you can address the broker's TRC20 by copying it manually into your wallet. And friends, to check the status of your transactions, click on Transaction History. And in this section, you will see that this deposit was successfully completed. Good luck.